Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to add auto subtitle into your videos in the Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating this beautiful contents for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So first I just closing this page and open the new one where you can see there is a video with the subtitle. Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to add auto subtitle into your videos in the Canva. And there is an empty page. I will insert this video with the subtitle to here. So selecting the video, going to the apps and typing subtitle and looking for this animated subtitles application, this one. I opened it. Now the video is selected. This is important. We have to select the video where we want to create these subtitles. Click on the start. Yeah, just select as same as the download section. I can select separate pages, but now as you can see the second page is just an empty page, so it doesn't make any sense to selecting it. So it's done. Export, and now the Canva doing the magic for us. It's done, and now I can create the subtitle in different styles. I can choose the style what I would like to use. Now I keep the first one. We can choose the different type of fonts. We can change the size from small to the extra large, keep it in large. We can choose to capitalize all text, but we don't need it. And we can change the color, like choosing to red the highlighted colors. And now just for fun I will create some yellowish text. Click on generate. In this video I will teach you how to add auto subtitles. So the AI created the text for us, but of course, as you can see, not in the camera. I would not even in a Canva. So we have to check always the text. Then if needed correcting it, then we can click on generate video with subtitles. As you can see, now it's generated. I click on the second page and just select select the video what was generated and mention status completed and click on add to design. But as you can see, still the Canva still working on it, or not only Canva, the AI behind this application, and now mentioning the subtitles has successfully updated, but or uploaded, but still working on it. And now you can see it's increase the size, the length of this page. Now I can delete the first one and increase the size of this video. I think I made something wrong, or maybe when I choose the yellow color, I think I just moved the mouse somewhere else before I closed it. Then as you can see, it's a black or a grayish, dark grayish color is selected, but it's Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to add auto subtitle into your videos in the Canva. But it's still looking good, I think, maybe even better what I want to create, but that was just a mistake. Originally I wanted to create yellow and red, but it's the dark gray is created. But anyhow, you can see how is the process is going, so you can also play on it, so you can create your own animated subtitles in the Canva. Thanks for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Ciao.